Hey everybody, thanks for clicking. We appreciate that. Today we're going to do some lawn repair. It is October up here in the Northeast, so it is the time to plant grass. Let's take a look at what we have. We've had a very abundant grub season this year. I don't know what it is. They're just a lot of grubs this year, and they've done a lot of damage to some lawns. So the customer has pre-treated the lawn a couple weeks prior to us doing this for the grubs. And I'll show you what we have and what we're gonna do to fix it up. Okay, so here we are. We have a lot of crabgrass, which we're not really gonna pull the lawn out. We're just gonna thatch it up really hard. Here's, you can see where the grubs have done some major damage over here. I mean, there's no roots left at all there, so we're gonna get that going. And then over here, we just have an abundance of crabgrass, which, like I said, we're not going to pull it all out. We're just going to thatch it really, really heavy and vacuum it up. And then we're going to reseed and hay. And same thing right up to the side over here. Pretty much this section. The other side looks pretty good. And I'll show you what we're going to use. This is the setup that we have. So the bad boy mowers have a thatcher that goes on the front here. It's a little different setup than the other thatchers. They have rear thatchers. They all kind of do the same thing as long as you get it done in the right direction. So we're gonna run this around. We're gonna put it down pretty low, and like I said, we're gonna thatch up everything that we possibly can, and then we'll get that ready for seeding. So let's get going. All right, guys, so there it is. We're pretty much done for the day. Like I said, there's a lot of different ways to do it. You know, we kind of go with what the customer wants to do and how much the customer wants to spend. So for this job, that's how we did it. Like I said, it's October, it's the beginning of October, and this is a great month because you don't have to go crazy worrying about watering. So for growing grass, like September, October, comes out really good. So we'll probably come back to this lawn in about 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks maybe, and we'll see what it's looking like from there. But thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate it. Peace.